I got a few tats, you want to check them out? I've got my family here, which is the 5 kids in my family. Their first letters of the first names spells Jalik. And I also have my last name, Williams, here, so that's my family. But I have a few other tats to show you from your peeps out there that want to show you, so check it out.
Hi, I'm Czarina. I'm of Tongan and European descent. This is a tattoo I got on my wrist not long after my mum passed away. It's just sort of in memorial of her. The reason why I got it on my wrist is because this is my working hand, and it was quite difficult to deal with her passing, so my thinking was every time I look down and sort of, am weak, that would encourage me to sort of push forward. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Gina Loheni and I am Samoan. I'm a fashion designer at Mina, and this is my malu. This malu represents to me my cultural identity, and I also feel it's a link to my ancestors who got it, including my grandmother and great-grandmother. I feel privileged to have this malu, which is a part of a very old and noble Samoan tradition. In my work as a fashion designer, we are inspired by the tatau, and we use it a lot in our everyday prints. My malu was done by the Sulurapi family. I watched my sister Jackie get her one done by them a few years ago and knew that I wanted them to do mine. I love how the various symbols of the malu represent the different roles that Samoan women play in society. The tatau session was a very spiritual and painful experience. I think you appreciate it more at the end when you experience what you have to go through and what your ancestors went through as well.